Hey everyone, here is the painting from my last video. I know it's been quite a while. It's been about a week, but it turned out pretty cool. I'm glad I added that white at the end. It kind of gave it just a unique finish. And it's already so shiny from those paints. I'm not even sure. Well, I might resin it, but it almost looks varnished. So today I'm going to do a swipe. I haven't done a swipe in a while. So let me get that. There we go. And I'm actually going to swipe, instead of swiping with the white paint that I normally do, I'm going to swipe with this. It's called Playful Pink. It's kind of whitish, but it's iridescent, and it has a pink tinge to it, if you will. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that into this and add silicone to it. So for this swipe, this is the only thing that has silicone. I'm going to use my Spot On treadmill silicone. Ooh, that leaked all over, didn't it? So a couple drops of that. And stir, stir, stir. And I will set that to the side. This is my swiping tool, just what came with the canvas. And this is a 10 by 10 inch canvas. All gone. Let me get some gloves on. I hope all of you are doing well in our staying at home efforts. I have not been feeling very creative, which is why I have not been down here and painting and having a video. But today I felt like it, so I'm really excited to be down here because, as I said, it's been a while. So I've got these two shades of blue. I don't know exactly what they are. I think they're self-mixed. Then I've got Electric Plum Purple, which is also an Arteza iridescent, and Liquitex Bright Aqua Green. And I apologize about my voice. My allergies are driving me crazy, even though no one's going outside or anything. Well, actually, I've been taking walks every day, trying to stay somewhat busy. Trying is the key word. I still spend a million hours a day in front of the TV, it seems, and I'm so sick of TV. But I did start Little Fires Everywhere on Hulu, which is good. But there's only 2 episodes left, so that's a shame. Alright, so this is my house paint. My Dutch Boy mixed with Floetrol and water. And just want to get it on all sides. Alrighty. Normally I don't do my swipes like this. Normally I dot the color. So I'm not really sure how this will turn out. Because normally I take a pipette and I drop down colors. So this is a little different. And now for that white, or not white, the pink. You can see that it's not quite white when it's against the rest of it. Get rid of the hard edges. Okay. Let's torch and see what happens. Pretty cool. I like it. I love it. And I think that the pinkish white will really go with those colors I chose. Yay! Let me try and, just while I'm talking to you, wipe off my gloves so that I can reuse them, because gloves are a hot commodity right now and not easy to find. So I'm thinking I should be reusing them when I can. Let me get you so I can shove it to you. Ooh, it looks pretty dripped down the side too. I like. Very nice. The aqua green makes it pop. And so some of these are color shifting. So we'll see what it looks like when it's dry. But thank you so much for watching, and thanks to those of you who have inquired about my well-being since I've been gone from YouTube for a little while. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.